Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll want to check if your LG Smart TV is compatible with STREMIO. Most LG models from 2016 and newer running WebOS should work, but verify your specific model before proceeding. Step 2. Next, you need to access the LG Content Store on your TV. Use your remote to navigate to the home screen, then find and open the LG Content Store or App Store icon. Step 3. Once you're in the store, search for STREMIO using the search function. Type in the name carefully and look for the official STREMIO application with the correct logo. Step 4. When you find the app, click on it and hit the Install button. The download and installation will take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so be patient during this process. Step 5. After installation completes, open STREMIO immediately and log in with your account credentials or create a new account if you don't have one yet. You'll need to set up your preferences and add your content sources before you can start streaming.